And I don't need money, but he'll give me some beer for money. Let's go out in a
You
little
don't
while.
dare go to Kathmandu.
No, I'm gonna Walgreens and some beer.
I'll go with you.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
let me do some of these updates so I can do it.
Okay. I was already say I do not mind.
There's gonna be a 24-inch TV coming here. That could be a problem. I don't know. Chuck gave it to me. He didn't want to throw it away. He got a new one, so.
Here.
No, I don't want those.
Toss them. Put this in this thing.
I know. We'll save it for later. You might be hungry and eat it again. Mustard don't go bad. Chips don't go bad. Chips don't go bad. So they do, but they're not at old. So you have yourself. You're hungry.
Chips ain't good forever.
I know, but yeah, still do you good.
Not when they're open like that. Hell, nothing's open. Nothing's.
I always wash it down the sink. We use mustard
Wash this
though.
down this sink. That's how you get
Oh yeah, mustard that.
Just wash it down this. And you put the ash